Hello everyone, I am Kumaresan and I am currently pursuing my third year BTech IT in KPR IT, and today I am going to explain my internship project named HomelyHub. And it's a MERN Stack based web application, and I built this during my training at Abstract Academy. And it's basically a full stack web app. And the overview of the project. The HomelyHub is a property booking platform. It's designed to make things easier for both house owners and tenants, where you want to list your property or need to rent one. And I used the MERN Stack to make it faster, responsive, and scalable. And the purpose of my internship was to gain industrial learning by developing a real world web applications using full stack concepts. And I majorly focused on connecting front end and back end, and handling databases, and full stack web development overview. In simple words, full stack development is working on both ends, like front end and the back end. Front end, which is a user sees and interacts with, and the back end, which handles the logic, data, data storing and retrieval. And both helped me to get understanding of how data travels between the UI and the databases and how everything connects. And MERN Stack overview. MERN Stack is a type of full stack web development, and it's basically of four technologies. One is MongoDB. MongoDB, instead of using a complex structured query language, we use MongoDB, and it is also called as a NoSQL databases, and it stores values as a key value pair as a JSON file. And Express.js, and Express.js is a web framework for routing and middleware, and mostly for backend frameworks. And React.js for frontend, and Node.js is for running JavaScript on the server. Since everything is JavaScript based, it's enough and consistent to develop, which makes my job a lot easier. And project requirements. There are two categories of project requirements. One is functional requirements. Functional requirements is fully focused on user sign up, login, and registration, property listing, searching, filtering, and the contact between the property owners and the tenants, and so on. And the non-functional requirements are like responsive and interactive UI, and I made sure it was secure and mobile friendly and faster too. And architecture and design of my project. The architecture follows the basic MERN stack model, where React handles the front end, and Node and Express.js handles the back end, and MongoDB stores all the data in the databases. And I also used a ME structure so that everything stays organized and easier to scale later. Basically, data flows smoothly from the front end to the back end, and vice versa. And I also used a RESTful API for communication between the front end and the back end. And implementation details. Implementation details for front end. I used React components for layouts and navigations, along with the React routers for page switching, and it makes the URL different for each pages. And for backend, I created REST API with Express for features like login, sign up, and property operations, and property listing, filters, and everything. And also authentications was done using JWT token, and a database, and all the data are stored on MongoDB campuses, which is for local device storage, which makes faster data retrieval and storage. Yeah. And key features of my project. My main features of my projects are secure login and sign up, personalized dashboards, property searching and filtering, image uploads like when you want to update an property with an image description, and I will show you in the project later. And conclusion. In conclusion, the HomelyHub project was an amazing and interesting for me to learn, and it gave me a deep understanding of full stack web development and how to turn an idea into a working product. And I really want to thank Webstack Academy for their guidance throughout the project. And also I would like to thank my trainer at the Webstack Academy for providing exceptional guidance and support throughout the online sessions. And okay, now let me show you the projects. And this is the project folders. It's a backend and frontend. In frontend we have SRC, and in SRC we have all the necessary components like accommodations and home, filters, header, footer, everything, and payments, property listings, user like edit profile, forget password, login, and everything will be here. And let me run this and wait a minute. First we need to move to front end and npm run there. Now the front end is working. Now let's move to backend. And here to npm run there. The backend is connected. Here you can see the backend is connected in HomelyHub. Booking, properties, user. These are the properties stored as a JSON file with the key and value pass. Everything will be accessed like this, and there will be of 16 properties. Let me show you. Copy the URL and move to a browser. Here are the properties, and if you click like this, it will show the images around the properties, and like more images you can see, and a small description about the places and rooms and maximum case numbers, and amenities like what this place offers, Wi-Fi, free parking, AC, washing machines, like that. And this is an extra info, and you can also see a location of the place in the map, and you can book this from here too. And we have the destination search bar. For example, if I type Tamil Nadu, it shows all the places located in Tamil Nadu. And we can also search like from a start date to end date, which are the properties are available, and the number of guests. Some of the properties allow record some of the guests, so we can search like that also. And there is a filter too. for price range, and we can also enter manually and the property types like house, flat or guest house, hotel, anything, and the amenities like you if you need a Wi-Fi you can select and apply filter like AC, and if you want swimming pool, washing machine and everything. And yeah, if you want to book you need to log in. First of all, let me show you sign up. And untitled agent, email, and let me give it as a password, confirm password, and mobile number like, and register. Yeah, here we go. We have an account like this. This is a default profile picture, you can change it also. And your name, email address, and the joining date, and my bookings. Yeah, we didn't book anything yet. And my accommodation is like we can also add a property for renting the places. I will show you later. Let me show it now. Yeah, we can add a title like what to say, heaven, and address, and the address will be let me give it my college address. Yeah, wait a minute. The city will be, and the state is Tamil Nadu. And the pin code will be 641 and 407. And we can add, we have to add a property photos, so let me choose it from online images. Just give me some times. Let's choose this. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. Let it be 4 images, and description, let it be good place, and property type house, let it be entire room, Wi-Fi, kitchen, AC, like washing machine, and extra info. Node.js on the wall, and we can also add a check-in time like 0900 maximum guest, let it be 10, and the price per night 2000, and save. Let me show you the property which I have added. HEAVN. Yeah, wait a minute. Yeah, you can see the property we have added with the maximum number of kids, description, and the map, which is locating the IOTA pin code, and the extra info will be same for all. And we can book start date, and the minimum price you are given 2000, and the minimum guess if I have 12, enter 12, it will show like this. There won't be more than 10. Name, phone number, we can book this place too. And that is how we can add our own properties. And yeah, let me show you the user here. In users, yeah, we can see now we created an account untitled agent with the email and the phone number, everything's shown and stored here. And okay, now let me show you how to book a property. Now there is no booking, and let's choose one place. Let's choose this, and from start from 1 to 5, and number of guests will be 5. Full name, just give it a dummy name, and phone number just a bit, and the total amount will be calculated, and we can proceed the payment. And this is a simple, just for a prototype like that, and we can add a payment methods later. And yeah, we have a booking, and here see the total amount is, and also it updated the databases. Let me show you. And here you can see, let me connect, and bookings, yeah, you can see the booking. It also updated this, and the user which I have created, and yeah, my profile. Yeah, you can also change the password, or if you forgot your password, you can just log out, and here you can show forgot password and enter your mail and send a mail. The mail will be, wait, I will show you. The mail will be new sandbox, and here you can see the reset password mail has been sent, and we can enter any passwords. We can reset our password with this and this, set password. Now let me log in again with the new password, and you can see I can log in with my new password. And yeah, that's it. I explained about the filters and search bars. And the account, you can click log out to log it to your account, my bookings. We can book any number of properties. My accommodations, you can add accommodations. And yeah, that's it. That's all from my side. Thank you for the opportunity, Webstack Academy. Thank you for watching.